Hello, my name is Hannah Jane. We're going to learn how to do Start B handwriting together. Get your Start B colour pencils ready so that we can sing the pencil grip song.
Hold your thumb up to the sky. Point your finger to the...
First of all, we get to know a pupil's current handwriting ability and needs using our proven method for teaching handwriting, which combines e-learning lessons with practical exercises, the right tools and the right font. We made our lessons fun so the children look forward to learning to write. We worked directly with primary schools to make our lessons work for teachers too. With Start B, any child can master handwriting, and they will benefit in other ways too. Best of all, a Start B handwriting lesson leaves the children wanting more.